Today is a day that marks not just the union of two people, but the coming together of two families. Umembeso is an age-old Zulu tradition, rich in meaning, where gifts are exchanged to honor the bride's family for raising her. At this moment, they are waiting by the gate, waiting for money in order for her to take down the pot, as a sign of acceptance in their yard. The father will then ask them to come in. But with tradition comes expectation. In some cases, the groom's family may worry if what they have brought will meet the standards of the bride's family. They bring with them gifts that symbolize more than just material wealth. Blankets for warmth, clothes for protection, and food for sustenance. Each item has a story, a purpose. It is not just an offering, it is a gesture of unity and respect. In this moment, it is not the value of the items that matters, but the thought and respect behind them. This exchange is a way for the groom's family to say, "Thank you for your daughter. We honor your efforts in raising her." After all, bride's family members has received the offering, and the bride is brought for her gifts, which is the groom's family who go and get her in the house. On another hand, the bride's sisters will go and fetch the groom. The groom will be presented with a goat. This marks a symbol that the groom will be treated as their son from now on. As the day draws to a close, the echoes of celebration linger in the air. Laughter, joy, and the promise of a future built on love. Today was more than just a ceremony. It was a union of hearts, families, and traditions. Though the festivities may end, the journey for this couple has only just begun. In every smile, every shared glance, lies the story of a love that has grown stronger, a bond that will continue to flourish through life's challenges and triumphs. As the sun sets on this special day, we are reminded that love, in all its forms, is the greatest adventure. It is a story we all write together, one filled with moments like these, where words may fail but love speaks volumes. This is just the beginning. For this couple, and for all who believe in the power of love, tomorrow holds endless possibilities.